morning, Shiksha students. How are you all? Hope you all are happy and healthy. So let's start today our computer subject. So in computer subject on page number 36, lesson number 4, we are going to start today. So name of the lesson number 4 is working with Notepad. In this lesson, we are going to learn what is Notepad and what is the use of this program. So whenever we start to learn how to use computer, first of all we need to learn the basic things of the computer, and then we start to work with the help of program. So your first program is Notepad. So your picture is also there, that boy is using computer and also is happy that he is doing something more with the help of computer. Okay, so now Notepad. What is Notepad? Notepad is a text editing program. Again, one confusion is there. What is text editing? Program, we know that name, it is given name of program Notepad, but how to edit text means आपको text कैसे टाइप करना है ये प्रोग्राम में, और ये प्रोग्राम का यूज़ क्या होगा उसमें टाइप करने से। टेक्स्ट यानी अल्फ़ाबेट, नंबर्स, आप जो भी टाइप करते हो तो आपको एक पेज मिलता है, तो इट इज़ नॉन एज टेक्स्ट एडिटिंग. सो वी विल लर्न मोर अबाउट इट. Notepad is a simple and a very basic text editor. See, it is a basic text editor. After the basic things of the computer, we will learn basic text editor that is included in all the versions of Windows. Okay, all the versions of Windows, the basic program is Notepad. Now more about it. The text in Notepad can be saved. See, you can save this program. Now you will learn how to save also, how to open this program, how to do work in this program. So work can be saved in a file on computer for future use. Okay, there is a one list also, you can say name of the friend, some a new name of the movies, and we can say few memories of our friends we can save in this Notepad. The saved file can be opened and text can be modified as when required. See, once you can save, you can do changes also in this file. After opening this file, you can change also. Okay, so one more option is there. One note is there in the yellow box. Microsoft Notepad supports both left to right and right to left based languages for writing small notes. See, you can write small notes also, and here you are getting one more facility that you can start writing from the left side also, and those who language starts from the right side, so from right side facility also available to write a notes. So one facility is also available in this program. Now on page number 37 we will learn how to start Notepad program. Okay, so first of all we'll start our computer. Okay, so first perform the following steps to open the Notepad program. So we open the program, start the computer, and the second option is click all program. Again, so click all program, you will get a option. See, here number 1 is also given start button, and second option is all program, and after clicking all program one screen you will able to see. So third step is all program accessories you have to open. In accessories you will get the name of the program list. So first we are starting Notepad, name of the program Notepad, and this is the icon of Notepad program. Okay students, so number 4 step is name of the program and icon of this program. Now what is the result when we select this Notepad? This step will open a new Notepad window. So this is your window, that is your screen where you do your work. See, here it is given untitled because you have not saved this file and you have not given any name also that you are doing what type of work. So after doing work you can give name, and before that also you can give, and then you can start your work. And few menu options are there: file, edit, format. Okay, font style you can change, name of the font, name of the file, and you can view more option. And if you want help regarding this program also you can get. You can give here also option small, you can make your screen of this program, you can make big also, and you can close from here also this program. Okay, and this is the ruler. Okay, so ruler means you can say scroll bar, one type of scroll bar, that while you typing, when you go enter with the next line, it will go upstairs. Okay, so this is the screen of Notepad program. On next page, page number 38, we will start our work. Notepad working modes. Now what is the mode? We will learn in this session. Notepad provide two modes. See, two modes. Which are the two modes? That is normal mode and word wrap mode for working. See, normal mode we can understand from word normal typing, but word wrap mode means what? So we will go through this page. Now first we will learn what is the normal mode. The text typed in normal mode gets accommodated in one line. Means normal mode, when you start typing, it goes continue in this one line. Okay, see, this is the example you can see. Okay, so in one line it goes on typing, goes on typing, goes on typing. Okay, cursor doesn't come at the second line. Now what is the word wrap mode? When text is typed in word wrap mode, it shifts to the next line. Okay, got it? Word wrap means when word doesn't fits in one line, automatic comes to the next line, cursor goes in the next line. When the last typed word hits the right side of the window. Okay, when word hits over here of the window, automatically cursor comes from the first line to second line and starts writing from the left side, or you are starting from the right, then it will come to the right side. Okay, depends on the language. This is known as the word wrap mode. So how to select that word wrap mode? Select from the menu bar format option. Okay, from the menu bar format option you are going to select, and from the format you are going to select word wrap, not font but word wrap. Then here you will get the result that when word or the sentence complete, when word comes at the end of the window. Okay, so after that it will come to the next line, next word start from the next line. Okay students, so today we are going to learn only these two modes and what is the Notepad program, and next we will continue in the next class. Thank you students, have a nice day.